The middle. The dot in the middle. It's the center.
I actually like middle. So middle.
I got it.
Except for this is going to be the middle point of a circle. Okay, so obviously this right here is the center. Y'all good at that? Okay, diameter. Diameter is this lovely little line right here. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it for you as well. Yes, this is all review. This is all from 7th grade review. So diameter is the distance from edge to edge through the center. Hold on. Don't get hold of us yet. Now, the diameter is also 2 times the radius. You good with that? So obviously then, this lovely little half line right here will be our radius, which is, this goes from the center point to the edge. Of the circle. This is also half the diameter. All right, are we good so far? Do we have any questions up to here? What's your question? What's your question, Matthew? You got it? Okay, you got everything labeled in your stuff? All right, so you should also have this little line right here marked as radius, if you haven't already. All right, anybody remember what a circumference is?
Circumference is the one. The outer. A circle.
Okay. Okay, so circumference. Steven's right. It's actually around the outer edge of your circle. It's actually the distance, and I'm going to make sure this is also in purple. So it's the distance around the outer edge. You could think of this as the perimeter. Now, you have a couple of different formulas for circumference. You have C is equal to pi d. And remember, you do have a pi button on your calculator. It's right underneath your clear. You just push second and then that little caret button and it gives you a pi. The second and then the little caret, it gives you pi. Now you also have C is equal to 2 pi r. So these two right here will give you your circumference of any circle. Now, your area is everything that's on the inside of the circle. And this is A is equal to pi r squared. Yes, sir. You are. In fact, it's a grade.
No.
So it should be a really easy free 100.
Will it bring up my grade?
It should.
You're not trying?
Yes, you're going to have plenty of time. So is there any questions on this?
So it's